No.
What is up guys, it is Alex here from Tech2's back here with a video, and in this video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Logitech G231 PRODIGY headset. Okay, let's start off with its main features. Displayed at the bottom is the Logitech logo, then at the top left hand corner is the name of the headset, and then finally there are the devices the headset is compatible with. The mic can be used with a games console, a computer, or a mobile phone. At the side of the box on a horizontal angle it also tells you the name of the headset. The headset is nicely compact inside the box to stop it from rattling, which could scratch it or cause damage to the headset. In the middle of the box there is a strip of cardboard to stop the mic from bending. The mic feels very sturdy, however not too heavy, which can increase the period of time wearing these before your head starts to ache. They are also the lay flat design, so you can twist the ear cups if you want to lay it flat on your desk. The actual mic moves up and down and moves from the left to the right as well. On both sides there is a tightener to fit your head. This feature is really good because the mic can not only fit adults but it can also fit children too. To keep your headset experience going on for hours, there is pads around both ear cups to stop it from rubbing or your head from getting sweaty. On the wire there is a little control to change how loud or quiet the headset is. There is also a mic option to mute and unmute yourself. The controller also has a little clip to stop it from dragging, or in case you have to quickly edit your audio. For the PC users, the mic comes with an extra adapter splitter for the microphone and sound. Unlike console, they do not need it. Overall, after using this mic for this whole video, I think it's brilliant. When talking into mic there is no background sounds, and using it for gaming really brings it a little bit further to feel how realistic it is. The mic is very comfy and really easy to transform to fit your shape. The mic retails at around £40, so really you can't go wrong. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and comment below what we should review next.